Everybody, welcome back to the channel, Green Country Baits. Been several months since we posted a video, so I wanted to bring you a special one. We're creating a new pattern. This comes requested from a local young man here, and we're going to be calling this one the Midnight Purple Chart. So sounds like a pretty cool little video for you. We'll show you how we're going to do our Midnight Purple and kind of have that transparent head on the front end of it. So stick around, man. Let's go spray some paint. All right, we're going to get started on this new pattern that we had requested come to us. Yozeri BD3. We've sandblasted. We've got our head taped off because we're going to do a transparency on there. So I'm going to lay down a little bit of a base coat just to come up some of this, try to cover up some of this hook rash. A couple of ways we could go about coming up with this midnight purple. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of, he didn't give me a lot of direction on exact colors he wants, but we're going to go 6-1 with a detail violet from Wicked Createx on just with one drop of transparent black. Another way you could do this is utilizing a candy pigment or even the violet with maybe a black base, depending on how dark you want your purple. But again, on this particular bait, we're going to go with just below this, where the textured belly starts. We're going to do the 6-1 violet. And black. Compressor's running, but we're gonna obviously get about 3 coats on the top. We're gonna let that gradually transition down to the belly and let it lighten up just a little bit. And that'd be our midnight purple top. And then I'm going to look and see what it would look like with, just so we've got a real nice transition from the top of the sides and the belly. Go with a candy purple. If we don't like it, we'll just go entire midnight violet. So just mixing up a little bit of this candy color. And again, you know, most generally that's used for, you know, going over some of the top coat, but I think it'll give us a cool little effect. It's not going to be very pearlescent, but tell me what you think here. So we've got the deep purple on the back, transitioning into that candy purple on the belly. Okay, kind of a early morning, late evening topwater bite. Okay, so we're going to reposition our paint here, or reposition our tape, and make sure you've got your paint really dried. This painter's tape doesn't stick real hard, but we sure don't want to pull any of that up. So let that bait, heat set it, and let it cool for just a little bit, and then we'll come right back and do our chartreuse head. Okay, so we've got our eyes taped off. We did leave the eyes in the bait. These Josiri baits, or at least the ones, the 5 he sent me, these things are really stuck in. Felt like I'd damage them, so we just put tape over them. So we're going down with a fluorescent yellow here. And we'll put probably 2 to 3 coats just to get that really bright. Let's see what our transition looks like here. You gotta be real careful. It's definitely going to be very unique. I've never seen one just like it. So, pretty cool. Again, by customer request, I'm just trying to hit those edges. Transition curves in case I miss something with my tape. And do a last little coat. I think we could have done some cool little, rather than make it a straight line, maybe on this next one we cut the gill plate out, make that head, make that look just a little less uniform as far as the tape line, and go with more of a gill plate design. I think that'd be cool. I don't think the customer would mind too much if we use a little bit of our creativity. He just kind of recommended 1/2 inch of the head with a chartreuse. Okay, so if it's me, I might do a little bit of red speck or something on the side, or maybe even a chartreuse kill dot. But again, we're going pretty much with the customer's request. So midnight purple, chartreuse head, BD3. Thank you guys for taking the time to check out the video. We'll see you next week.